Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. We will discuss about transition elements. A lesson in class 12th of subject chemistry. हायर क्लास में भी इस ट्रांजिशन एलिमेंट्स का काफ़ी ज़्यादा डिस्कशन है. As we know that periodic table have been classified into 4 blocks. Out of all these blocks, one of the block is D block elements. These D block elements as well as F block elements are also called as transition elements, or sometimes this F block element is also named as inner transition elements because there is a transition within the transition elements. What these D block elements are? D block elements are those elements in which last electron goes in D orbital. In which last electron goes in D orbital. Those elements are known as D block elements. These D block elements are also called as transition elements. Why these are called as transition elements? Because when we have a look at the S and P block elements, or when we go from S block to P block elements, there occurs a change in these elements. And that particular change is different from S block elements as well as P block elements. That is why these elements are called as transition elements. These elements are called as transition elements. These are called as transition elements because in these transition elements, are elements they have partly filled or incomplete filled n-1 d orbital, or we can say they have partly filled penultimate orbital or penultimate subshell in their elementary state. That is why these elements are called as transition elements, because in these elements a partly filled n-1 d orbital or a partly filled penultimate orbital is present in their elementary state. As there is the talk of d orbital, these elements are also called as d block elements. And on the filling of the orbital into different on the filling of electrons in different orbitals, these d block elements have been classified into three main series. One is called as 3D series, or it is also called as first transition series. Another is called as 4D series, and another series that is second transition series, and another series is there that is called as 5D series, while as 6D series there is another series that is 6D series, but this 6D series is this 6D series is not completely the complete information is not mentioned in many books about this particular series, and this series is still considered as the incomplete series. When we go in first series, this series starts from scandium to zinc, or we can say that it starts from the atomic number 21 to atomic number 30. For this series, it starts from yttrium with atomic number 39 to cadmium, atomic number 48. Lanthanum, after lanthanum, there is basically a slight change or certain modification occur in Abbas rule, and after this the energy of 5D becomes very much higher, and electrons are not filled in this particular orbital, that is 5D orbital, and there occurs a change. Another electron that goes into F orbital, and after the complete filling of F orbital, the electrons again go into 5D orbital. That is why this lanthanum has atomic number 57, while as after lanthanum there is another element that is called as hafnium, and hafnium has 72 atomic number, and this particular series ends at mercury with atomic number 80. With atomic number 80. As about transition elements, we know that these transition elements have partly filled d orbital or partly filled penultimate orbital in their elementary state. However, this definition does not goes good with zinc, cadmium and mercury, because all these three elements have completely filled penultimate orbital or completely filled n-1d orbital. On that basis, we can state that all transition elements are d block elements, but all d block are not transition. What it means transition, कि जो भी ये ट्रांजिशन इनको हम कलेक्टिवली ट्रांजिशन एलिमेंट्स कहते हैं, इसलिए इनको हम ट्रांजिशन एलिमेंट्स कहते हैं क्योंकि जो ये तमाम ट्रांजिशन एलिमेंट्स है ये बेसिकली डी ब्लॉक एलिमेंट्स है, कि इसमें जो लास्ट इलेक्ट्रॉन है ये डी ऑर्बिटल में फिल होता है, मगर तमाम की तमाम जो डी ब्लॉक एलिमेंट्स ये ट्रांजिशन एलिमेंट्स नहीं हैं, क्योंकि तमाम के तमाम डी ब्लॉक एलिमेंट्स में पार्टली फिल्ड डी ऑर्बिटल नहीं है। इस वजह से हम ये कहेंगे कि ऑल ट्रांजिशन एलिमेंट्स आर डी ब्लॉक एलिमेंट्स, बट ऑल डी ब्लॉक एलिमेंट्स आर नॉट ट्रांजिशन एलिमेंट्स। और इसमें जो सबसे पहला जो लेक्चर है, इसमें हम वी आर गोइंग टू कवर about, or we are going to discuss about electronic configuration. And about electronic configuration, as we people are aware that it means the distribution of electrons in orbitals, or distribution of electrons in different shells, or distribution of electrons in subshells. तो यहाँ पे हम बात करेंगे डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स इन डी ऑर्बिटल एज वेल एज एस ऑर्बिटल. First of all, we will see first transition series: scandium, titanium, vanadium, chromium, manganese, iron, cobalt, nickel, copper and zinc. सीरीज को याद करने के लिए एक देयर इज ए ट्रिक फॉर इट. साइनस फॉर स्कैनियम, टीचर वेरी क्रेजी मांगे फी, कोर्स नहीं कंप्लीट जरा. ऐसे हम इस सीरीज को याद भी कर सकते हैं. तो जैसा कि हमें पता है कि स्कैनियम से जो पहला एलिमेंट आता है इसको हम कैल्शियम कहते हैं. और कैल्शियम की जो कॉन्फ़िगरेशन है, अगर हम इसकी इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन को यहाँ पे लिखेंगे तो हम ऐसा लिखेंगे, जो इनर कोर ऑफ द एलिमेंट इस कैल्शियम में है उसमें क्या हम देखते हैं कि जो उसकी जो कैल्शियम की जो इनर कोर है, इट सीम्स और इट रिजेंबल्स विद आर्गन कोर. इट मीन्स दैट द कोर ऑफ दिस particular element calcium that is like argon. तो इसका जो एटॉमिक नंबर है ये 20 है. तो इसके बाद जो इसमें क्या होता है कि जो 3p ऑर्बिटल है, 3p ऑर्बिटल that gets filled. After it according to Abba's rule, the next orbital in which electron can be filled is 4s orbital. जो इसके बाद जो बाकी दो ऑर्बिटल्स है वो 4s में चले जाते हैं, क्योंकि s only 2 electrons accommodate कर सकता है because of the Pauli's exclusion principle. After this calcium, the another orbital which comes in which electrons can be filled is 3d orbital. That is why this series is also called as 3d series. तो हम स्कैनियम को ऐसे इसकी कॉन्फ़िगरेशन हम ऐसे लिख सकते हैं: आर्गन कोर 3d1 4s2 आर्गन कोर 3d2 4s2 आर्गन कोर 3d3 4s2. The configuration of chromium is basically an unexpected or it is irregular configuration. Why it is irregular configuration? इसमें क्या होता है? Configuration is just like this: argon core 3d5 4s1. क्रोमियम में क्या होता है, जो d ऑर्बिटल है ये हाफ फिल्ड रहती है और s ऑर्बिटल भी क्या रहती है, हाफ फिल्ड रहती है. और एक्चुअली व्हाट इज द रीजन फॉर इट? सबसे पहला जो रीजन है कि जब भी इलेक्ट्रॉन्स ऑर्बिटल्स में अकोमोडेट होते हैं, देयर मस्ट बी द सिमेट्रिकल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स. देयर मस्ट बी द सिमेट्रिकल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ द इलेक्ट्रॉन्स. और सिमेट्रिकल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स दैट एक्चुअली ensures the highest stability to that particular element. Besides this, there is another reason for this we can call this exceptional configuration is that there is the exchange energy effect. Due to exchange energy effect, the electron from 4s orbital goes into 3d orbital to maintain the symmetrical distribution of electron, due to which chromium becomes more stable element than the other elements that are surrounding to it. And after it, what happens in manganese? Argon core 3d5 4s2, iron argon core 3d6 4s2, argon core 3d7 4s2, nickel argon core 3d8 4s2, and copper argon core 3d10. d orbital become completely filled, while as s become half filled. The reason is the same. That is why in first transition series there is exceptional configuration in chromium and copper that ensures high stability for these elements to maintain symmetrical distribution of electron, and also the energy exchange effect. And after it there is zinc argon core 3d10 4s2. This is the distribution of this is the electronic configuration for first transition series. Now we will go in next transition series, that is second transition series. इसके लिए हम इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन को देखेंगे. Yttrium, zirconium, niobium, molybdenum, technetium, ruthenium, rhodium, palladium, silver, cadmium. इसको याद करने के लिए भी एक सिंपल सी ट्रिक है. यारी जरा निभाना मौत तक, रूठे रहना पर आगे कूदना और आगे चढ़ना. This atomic number of yttrium is 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48. It ends up to 48. And most of the people will be aware about the atomic number, क्योंकि 9 से आप लोग बढ़ रहे हो. यट्रियम से आगे जो एलिमेंट है स्ट्रोंशियम. तो स्ट्रोंशियम तक हम क्या देखते हैं कि जो 5s ऑर्बिटल है, 5s orbital gets complete there. After it, the inner arrangement of this yttrium element is just like krypton core 4d1 5s2. Then it is krypton core 4d2 5s2. Then there is niobium krypton core 4d4 5s1 5s1 इसमें जो कॉन्फ़िगरेशन है इलेक्ट्रॉनिक, दैट इज एक्सेप्शनल इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन और अनएक्सपेक्टेड इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन। इसकी वजह क्या है कि जो भी जिस किसी एलिमेंट में भी हाफ फिल्ड कॉन्फ़िगरेशन होती है, हाफ फिल्ड कॉन्फ़िगरेशन होती है, यानी डी ऑर्बिटल या एस ऑर्बिटल जिस किसी में भी हाफ फिल्ड रहता है, that is actually that ensures extra stability to the atom, that is why in this particular element there is unstable configuration, and it ensures high stability to that particular element. Then after molybdenum, krypton core 4d5 5s1, half fillet configuration in D as well as S. It ensures extra stability और symmetrical distribution of electrons, क्योंकि सब electrons की जो spin है वो एक ही साइड पे होगी, that will be in the clockwise direction, that is there is the symmetrical distribution of electrons. और half fillet, fully fillet configuration, they are more stable than incompletely fillet configuration. Then there is technetium. For technetium, this is krypton core 4d5 5s1 ruthenium 4d krypton core 4d7 5s1, half fillet configuration of S, it ensures extra stability. Then there is krypton core 4d8 5s1, palladium krypton core 4d10 5s0, and D is completely fillet configuration. Completely filled electronic configuration or empty orbital, that ensures extra stability to the atom. Then there is silver krypton core 4d10 5s1, and cadmium krypton core 4d10 5s2. तो इस सीरीज में हमने ये देखा नियोबियम, मोलिब्डेनम, रूथियम, रोडियम, पैलेडियम एंड सिल्वर, इन 6 एलिमेंट्स की जो कॉन्फ़िगरेशन है दैट इज अनएक्सपेक्टेड कॉन्फ़िगरेशन। और ये अनएक्सपेक्टेड कॉन्फ़िगरेशन की वजह क्या है? इसकी वजह यह है कि सिमेट्रिकल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स इंश्योर हाई स्टेबिलिटी टू द एटम, half filled electronic configuration, and fully filled electronic configuration is more stable than incompletely filled configuration, and also energy exchange case that ensures the stability for these atoms or for these elements. And the third transition series, electronic configuration for the third transition series. Electronic configuration for the third transition series. Lanthanum, hafnium, tantalum, tungsten, rhenium, osmium, iridium, platinum, gold and mercury. Lanthanum have atomic number of 57. After lanthanum, there occurs a slight change, or there occurs an a slight change, or there occurs an exceptional case to the above rule, whereby the electron does not go into the 5d orbit. Instead of that, electron go into the 4f orbital, and after the filling of 4f orbital, after the complete filling of 4f orbital, 4f orbital में जो इलेक्ट्रॉन्स सभी कितने इलेक्ट्रॉन्स हैं, 14 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स आर दियर. तो हम ऐसा कहेंगे जो इनके लिए जो है बाकी हाफ निम के बाद जो एलिमेंट्स है इनमें जो 4f ऑर्बिटल है वो एक्चुअली क्या है, वो कंप्लीट है. इसलिए हम सबसे पहले इनमें 4f को कंप्लीट लिखेंगे. उससे क्या है कि देयर विल बी नो कंट्रोवर्सी कि बाकी जो इलेक्ट्रॉन्स है वो कहाँ गए. वो एक्चुअली 4f जो है 4f इनमें कंप्लीटली फिल्ड है. लैंथेनम में क्या होता है, लैंथेनम से पहले जो एलिमेंट है बेरियम, बेरियम तक क्या होता है कि बेरियम तक जो बेरियम तक जो 6s ऑर्बिटल है, 6s ऑर्बिटल बेरियम तक कंप्लीट रहती है. इसके बाद किसका नंबर आता है, 5d का नंबर आता है. तो लैंथेनम का जो इनर अरेंजमेंट ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन है ये है, इट इज जस्ट लाइक xenon core 5d1 6s2. नाउ हियर occurs change. बाकी इलेक्ट्रॉन जो है वो 5d के 5d के बजाय 4f में चले जाते हैं. इसलिए हम यहाँ पे लिखेंगे xenon core, इसका एटॉमिक नंबर कितना है, 72 है. xenon core 4f14 5d2 6s2, xenon core 4f14 5d3 6s2, xenon core 4f14 5d4 6s2, xenon core 4f14 5d5 6s2, xenon core 4f14 5d6 6s2. Now xenon core 4f14 5d7 6s2. Now there occurs the change. There occurs the change. This platinum, it also shows exceptional electronic configuration. And what is the reason for the exceptional electronic configuration? Because half filled electronic configuration is more stable than incomplete filled configuration. Also the symmetrical distribution of electrons, and also energy exchange energy exchange case that ensures high stability for these elements. That is the reason for the exceptional electronic configuration to these elements. Xenon core 4f14 5d9 6s1. Now here is xenon core. गोल्ड में भी यही केस होता है, 4f14 5d10 6s1 6s1 half filled. This is filled, this also filled, and then last में आता है xenon core 4f14 5d10 and 6s2 6s2. That due to this what happened, There, due to this unexpected configuration, it is present in platinum as well as gold in case of 3D series, and it ensures the highest stability through these elements. From tomorrow we will discuss about the general characteristics of these transition elements. Till then, it is bye bye from this side.